When it comes to welding and safety, clean air is no longer optional, it's essential. That's why CIGWELD has launched the BigSucker range of mobile fume extractors, the FX1 and the FX2. The FX1 is robust, powerful, and delivers over 99% filtration efficiency with a fully rotatable 360-degree 3-meter extended arm. It's simple to use with one button push to start and runs off a standard 10-amp plug and is built for easy mobility. And we've taken it a step further with the FX2. Designed for 3-phase power and fitted with a 20-amp plug, this system adds twin 3-meter arms, allowing for fume extraction from 2 work zones at once. Both units feature automatic filter dusting, an extra large filter with up to 1 year's lifespan, and quick, tool-free filter replacement. Whether it's the FX1 or the FX2, the BigSucker range gives welders maximum reach, maximum protection, and cleaner, safer workspaces. Available now at your local CIGWELD ESAB distributor.